So this was my entry. You can see this was my entry here, as you can see, and then this was my stop loss here, as you can see, and then this was my first take profit, as you can see it being labeled here. This is my second take profit, and this is my third take profit. Guys, this is so sweet. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to share with you guys a quick rundown of the trade results that I called up on my YouTube channel. So as you can see on the screen, these are the trades that have been closed. I still have one that is still open, but I'm going to show you basically about this step index, how I took the trade, and also how I caught it up on my Telegram channel. As you can see, for those of you who are on my Telegram channel, you'll agree with me that I always post chart setups on daily basis. As you can see, this is my Telegram channel, and this is where I posted the setups. Okay, as you can see, these are the setups I posted and the risk reward ratios that we should take, the entry points and all that. So this basically is the one I took on step index, which I want to talk about today, how I got the setup and how I took my trade. Okay, so if you have not joined our Telegram channel and you want to do so, the link is in the description box down below this video. Here is what the Telegram channel looks like. Okay, this is where I drop most of the videos. I drop most chat setups, and I also give follow-up updates on their performance. As you can see, this is one of such trades that I called up, and we took it. I made about 3,000 bucks from it. You can see it very clean sheet, right? So it's very important to join the channel if you have not done so. The link is in the description box. Okay, this is what I do every day, including currency pairs. As you can see, this is US tech 1 hour time frame. We took this trade at this point, and then this is our exit here where it's that TP. All right, so this is exactly what we do every day. This is another one we took also on US 30 4 hours time frame. So we enter the trade here, and then this is our first take profit, second take profit. It has hit our first take profit and is approaching our second take profit. So this is exactly what we do, guys. This is exactly what we do every day, every other day. Okay, so if you have not joined the channel, please do so now for your own good. You are going to be getting free setups and free signals every day, every other day, right? And when I give setups like this and trades, when I call up trade like this, I also give you follow-up updates on the performance of the trade. This is the step index, I think so, and this is what I entered, and then you can see I'm going to show you how I was calling up, giving updates. This is it. I was giving up updates, and I told them that when I drop setups like this, I don't expect you guys to trade all the setups. I expect you all to trade between 2 to 5 at most. Even one winning setup is still very much enough to pay your bills. Alright, so that's just it. When I drop setups like this, I don't expect anyone to take all of them, because most times that's gonna end up blowing your account, because taking all the trades might amount to poor risk management. So, but if you can take 2 quality setups or at most 5, you are sure of making enough money if both win, or at least if 2 out of the rest wins. Because most of these trades, as you can see, are about 3 1:3 risk reward ratio. Almost all of them are 1:3 risk reward ratio, which is a very high risk reward ratio, I must say. So if one wins, that means you have 3 wins, right? And then it's enough to cancel out other 3 losses. That is it. But if 2 wins and the rest 3 fails, then you are so much in profit. That's one good thing about the setups I give, guys. Then remember, in trading, more trades doesn't necessarily amount to more money. And in fact, when it comes to trading, less is more. That's the fact, guys. Less is more when it comes to trading. So forget about trading every setups in the market, and focus on the more quality setups, right? And I say, so trade lesser setups and focus more on the quality of your setups. Okay, focus more on the quality of your trades. That's exactly what I said earlier today. Okay, so here I was given a follow-up update on the trades that I called up. Here you can see I first this actually wasn't a real trade. This I was just this this is the reef actually, and this Euro USD DFX 20 index. I have never traded this, but when I looked at the chart looked so nice, such that I felt this will obey my strategy to be nice to apply my strategy on it. So what I did was I decided to check the margin cost. All right, I just wanted to check the margin cost for the lowest, um, for the least lot size. That was why I took the trade in the direction of the trend. And as soon as it got into little thing, I just closed it, right? So but I took this one, this VIX 75. It was one of the setups that I called out. Okay, let me see. It was one of the setups that I called out, and I actually took it, right? I took the trade on it. So it was one of the setups that I called out, and I took the trade. That's why you see it here. You can see how it played out so well, guys. It played out so well, like it played out so very well. These setups I drop every day. There are quality ones. Okay, this is it. You can see this is it. 375, 30 minutes time frame. I got it out. This was the entry here using this other block here. After price has broken structure to the downside, I expected to pull back to the other block and then come back to smash our TP. And so that's exactly what happened. He pulled back into the other block and came back. So this is it for VIX 75 actually, which is not exactly the one I'm teaching you guys. I'm teaching you the one that I still run. I still have one trade running on step index. So but the VIX 75 gave me this, and I'm going to the charts to explain how all this worked out, how I came about this setup. You can see. So I give update, and somebody asked the question, because all this you can comment on this. You can always drop a comment on our Telegram channel. So somebody asked the question whether they should be able to still enter the other time frame, saying that my setups come from the higher time frame. Okay, so I responded to that question. So go to the Telegram channel. You are going to see the response. I use the voice note to respond to this channel question. Okay, guys. So meanwhile, I continue to give follow-up updates on this. You can see how nice this whole thing was. You can see this is the VIX 75. You can see all of them gave me massive profit, guys, massive profit. And you can see over 6k, over 7k rather, over 7k profit. And then this crash 500 gave me some profit as well. But as at this time, the step index was still in red, right? It was still in loss, it was still in red, it was giving us some drawdown. So this is still running at this moment. Like first TP has been hit, second TP has been hit, and then the third one is still running, and price is already approaching the third one. So I'm going to explain the setup I did, how I did the setup on this step index, so that you guys will know exactly how I do it and be able to do the same on your own without needing my help. Okay, so what I'm actually doing on this channel is to teach you guys, give you the knowledge on how to do it without making you depend on me. Okay, that's exactly what my focus is on. So I kept giving follow-up updates on the performance on the trade. You can see this also the step index when it started going in profit in my favor. So that's just it. Okay, so let's go back to the chart right now. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, guys, please smash the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell, so whenever I drop a new post, you will get notified. Okay, also check the description box under this video. You're going to see a link to my Telegram channel, so you can join us and begin to trade our setups and signals on daily basis. Alright guys, alright, so this is step index. This step index, you can see here already, this is where our first TP was smashed here. sorry, this is our second TP and this is our first TP. Alright, you can see the Fibonacci tool that I used, giving me my SL, gives my entry, and then TP, first TP, second TP, and also my third TP. Okay, and it also gives me my third TP. Alright, giving me about 1:3 risk reward ratio. Alright, that's what it does. So these Fibonacci tools, it's not like the regular Fibonacci tools that all of you know. So if you want me to make a video on how to get this very Fibonacci tool and begin to use it to make profits like the way I do, just let me know in the comment box below and I will do that almost immediately. Okay, so this is step index, and I'm going to show you exactly how I came about the setup. Okay, how I got the setup, and I will ensure that you understand it. I'll do my best to ensure that you understand the whole thing. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to delete everything on this chart. I'm going to delete everything on this chart. I'm going to delete everything on this chart. Okay, so this is a clean chart. Now I can go ahead to explain everything. Okay guys, so when I came to this chart, the first thing I did was to identify the order flow. Okay, the order flow, that's the first thing you do when you come to the market. You want to identify the order flow. When we talk about the order flow, we are talking about the trend. We're talking about the direction of the trend, and looking at this, it is obvious that the direction of the trend is not it's not hidden, right? It's very obvious for anybody who has eyes to see. As you can see, the order flow here is bearish, right? The order flow is bearish because the direction of the price is downward. So we say the order flow is what? Bearish. That's why I also have my moving average. At least I can see the price is trading below it. So I can easily say that the order flow is bearish. Okay, that's the first thing I do. Most times I just go to my 4 hours time frame. You can see this is so clear, so sweet, like it's so clear on the 4 hours time frame. You can see that, so clear and so sweet, right? So that is what I do. I first identify my order flow. After I've done that, okay, so because I actually started the analysis from the 4 hours time frame, I identified the order flow, seeing that price has really not shifted market structure right here. Okay, and then it has been trending to the downside. So I don't see reason it to continue going up. I don't see any reason it to start going up. So I expect to continue going downwards. Alright, so I go down to my 1 hour time frame. Okay, so you can see here what I do at this point. Basically, it just to adjust my levels if it's when I plot support and resistance levels. So which I didn't actually bother plotting that here because the order flow was too clear. Like it was way too clear and too obvious for me. Okay, so what I just did was I identified my market structure. Okay, I just identified my market structure. As you can see, looking at this point, this is the market structure starting from here. You can see took a market structure, got a pullback, then price continued, took a market structure again here. Okay, got into pullback, then price continued downwards, took out the structure again. Price came to this point, started pulling back, right? Then came back again, taking out the structure, and then that just this is the last structure it took out by the time I met it. Okay, so by the time I met it, price was now pulling back. So I expected price to pull back at least 50% of this move, right? And so for me to measure the 50% of this move, what I just did was to pull out this same Fibonacci tool that I always talk about. This same Fibonacci tool that I use, I just pull it out. Let me show you guys. So I just pull it out from here, then place it on the beginning of the move, right? Place it here. So this is it. Okay. So that is exactly this is what I do. Place it here and then extend it to the point where price pullback, price moved to before it started reversing. Okay, so this is what I do. This is the point price started reversing from. Okay, so you can see that. So this is almost 50, this is about 50%.
3, 2, 1.
Our last take profit just got smashed, guys. Our last take profit just got smashed, as you can see here. This is the top here of the move, and then this is where it started actually. So as you can see, price pulled back to the 50% range here. So this 50%, this 50%. So forget about these ones below. I use them for something different for my risk ratio. Okay, so this 50% and price has actually pulled back to this 50% level here. So what happens now, whenever price pulls back to this 50% level here, it tends to pull back and come back. You know, if someone has entered the trade here, would have gotten here also profit. So what price does is, most of the times when it breaks the structure, after it starts retracing to go and retest the structure, it pulls back 50%, pulls back into the 50% level of the Fibonacci retracement before it starts retracing. Okay, before it starts moving back in its original direction. And the 50%, above the 50% is what we call the premium price, while below the 50% level is called the discount price. All right, so I'm going to talk about that subsequently in my I'm going to talk about that in my subsequent videos. Okay, so if you want me to talk about it, just let me know in the comment box below. And if you want to show you the setup for this what do you call it, Fibonacci indicator, let me know in the comment box below. Okay, so this is exactly what I did, and by the time I saw price come, by the time I did this, I saw that price has already reached the what do you call it, price has already gotten to this the 50% level of the Fibonacci. All right, so and then came back here and went again. All right, so basically this has been broken here. All right, these are what they call it, this structure has been broken. All right, so I didn't do it. What I did again, I had to now bring my stuff here. Yeah, boom, this is it. I had to bring it here, and then this one, I had to bring this one here. I wanted to just get the 50% level again. Okay, so this is it. You can see this, guys. This is exactly it. Price has touched the 50% level again and bounced off. So when I saw price bounce off the 50% level, which is our premium price, and if you look at it here, you're gonna say, okay, let me switch, let me scale down to 30 minutes time frame, which was also where I did it. Okay, as you can see, price has already smashed our last take profit. That is so nice, guys. So nice, so nice. I'm even happy that it happened right in front of you guys, so that you know that this is life. We are doing this live, guys. We are not joking here. We are doing this live. We are doing what we have done for years. We know how this works, guys. And although the market is not predictable, cannot predict the market, but with price action, we tend to be correct most of the times. All right, more often than not, we tend to be correct using price action. Okay, so this is 30 minutes time frame. Let me show you guys. I placed my Fibonacci 2 here. So this was the where it has broken the structure, as you can see. All right, has broken the structure. Okay, so got to this point and started reversing. So what I quickly did was use my Fibonacci to place it on this high and then on this low. Right, you can see it. This is it here on that low, right, and on this side. And then waited for price to pull back. I needed price to get back into this premium level, which is anywhere above, anywhere from the 50 level of the Fibonacci, which I call my entry point, right? So when price got there, basically by the time I got to the market, by the time I came to the market, I saw that price has gotten there already, right, and bounced off, gotten there again, bounced off, gotten there again, the third time bounced off, giving me three lower lows, right? three lower highs, right? So I obviously thought that price has bounced off, so no need of waiting for it to go back because it might not go back again. So I just made my entry here, right? I made my entry here. I wanted this this my stop loss to be here short, so I will show you guys where I placed my stop loss. But I'm sure you guys saw it already, right? You saw it already, so I can't even deceive you now if I want to deceive you. I can't deceive you guys, but you already know where my stop loss was. So my stop loss was around here, right? My stop loss was around here. So basically, this is my 50 level, and this is another block here, as you can see, right? This is another block here. So that was where I targeted it. It was just double confirmation because number one, we are in a downtrend. I'm looking for a sell opportunity, and then I have this other block in this structure that was broken, and then price got back to my 50% level and pulled into the other block, right? So and then bounced off from the other block, right? So I saw this as a confluence, like because I am a confluence trader. I trade with confluence. I need to see confluence in the market for me to trade. So when I saw this, my confidence was boosted. Okay, I saw that price has bounced off from it and has been giving me lower highs, as you can see here. It has been giving me lower high, and then lower high, as you can see. So because of this, I decided to take the trade here, placing my stop loss around this area. Alright, so that was exactly it. I can see, although price gave me some drawdown, but it never hit my stop loss. I wasn't stopped out because I placed my stop loss at the right point. I knew that these two lows could possibly be a liquidity. Okay, I knew that these two lows could possibly be a liquidity level because this other block was not mitigated. You can see another small other block here, it wasn't mitigated. So I obviously believed that this could be a liquidity graph. So I was able to bring my stop loss around this other block here that has mitigated. So and that was exactly what I did. So there was enough breathing room for my for the price to move and to do all the manipulations before going my way. That was exactly what I did, and that was how I also posted it in the Telegram group. That was how I posted it in the Telegram channel, which I believe you guys took advantage of it. Okay, so look at it. Okay, this is exactly it. You can see my stop loss was around that other block, right above this one, so that even if they took this these two highs here, these two lower highs as liquidity, at least they shouldn't exceed this one. All right, so that was exactly what I did, and because I understand the concept of liquidity. Meanwhile, if you want me to make a video on liquidity, let me know in the comment box below. Just tell me in the comment box below that I should make a video on liquidity, and I'm going to show you guys how you apply liquidity, the knowledge, the concept of liquidity to price action and to the break and retest strategy that I train, and then use it to increase your win rates and improve your trading results. Okay, just let me know in the comment box and I'll do that right away. Okay, so guys, that was exactly what I did. This is just the simple thing I did here, and you can see first TP smashed, second TP smashed, and third TP smashed. Meanwhile, after doing that, I got my entry, and so what I did was using my fib 2 also, which I normally use. Okay, so I just brought my fib 2 here. This is how I normally use this fib 2. Let me show you guys. I go to my to get my fib 2 here, okay, and then come to my entry, place it on my entry. Okay, just place the fib on my entry and then drag it to where I want my stop loss to be. All right, this is actually where I want my stop loss to be, which is somewhere here. You can see around this what do you call it, around this other block here where price has mitigated already. So this becomes my entry, right? Yeah, this is it. So this was my entry, I think so. This is it. This was my end. No, let me set it properly, guys. So this was my entry here. Cool, I got it now. So this was my entry. You can see this was my entry here, as you can see, and then this was my stop loss here. as you can see. And then this was my first take profit, as you can see it being labeled there. This is my second take profit, and this is my third take profit. Guys, this is so sweet, so sweet. I love it when my trades go like this. I'm so excited, and believe me, I pulled out enough cash on here. This is so much good. It's so much enough to pay my bills. You can see this very smooth, guys. Just if you can just take one trade a day and you are good to go, guys. Once your trade is right, like you are good to go. Wow, you can see just smashing them one after the other with ease. With ease, guys. This is just the best way to trade, and trade with comfort. We trade with peace of mind, and there is no cause for alarm. With proper risk management, guys. This is just it. This is what I teach in my mentorship sessions, and I teach it live, and we take the trades live. We analyze the charts together live and take the trades on the mentorship platform. So if you want to join my mentorship, click the link in this the telegram link in the description box down below this video. Contact me via telegram and let me know, and then I will quickly get you enrolled. Okay, now please take note of this. I will never chat you up on telegram. Many people are using my name to scam people. Many people are using my name to scam the unsuspected people, but I'll be saying this, that I will never chat you up first. I will never be the first to chat you up. Anybody who chats you up first and claims to be me, that person is a fraudster, that person is a scammer. Run away from such a person, okay? Because I will never chat you first. I only reply to your messages, okay? If you chat me, I'm gonna reply to your message. But if you don't chat me, I will not chat you, okay? So take note of this. So thank you guys for watching. I love it when I share knowledge like this, and people show me love by liking this video, by dropping nice comments in the comment box, and also sharing the video, and also joining my telegram group. I so much love it. I feel encouraged. I feel that my work is being appreciated. Okay, guys. So this is free knowledge, free content, but very valuable. I'm sure you guys understood it. But if there's anything you did not understand, let me know in the comment box. Ask your question in the comment box below, and I am going to make a new video explaining it in a more detailed and layman language. Okay, thank you guys. This is me, the Confluence Trader, saying goodbye.